If you're staying at an Airbnb and you've come across one of these Bosch ovens and you go to turn it on and it comes up with safe and nothing's working, it means the child lock is on. So if you check this out, if I go to here now, it beeps at me and it says safe. The oven is not working. There's no light on there at the moment. All we have to do is hold down this middle button here for around 4 or 5 seconds and that will remove the child lock. It's the one with the timer on it and it's got a little key underneath. So I'm going to hold it down now. Keep holding it. There we go. After about 4 or 5 seconds, the oven has now come to life. So that's it. That is purely a child lock, and you just hold down the middle one to remove it. If you want to put the child lock back on when you leave the property, all you have to do is turn it off here and then hold it down for 4 or 5 seconds. And it comes up with safe, and now you've left it how you found it. Thanks for watching.